Hi everyone, Karen here. I wanted to pop in and just tell you a little bit about my treatments and what they involve. So I work with the mind, the body, the heart and the soul because we are all of those things. So I'm going to talk about treatments for the body first of all. So the physical body, now the physical body, we will get things show up such as aches and pains and dis-ease, which is the word dis-ease, when there is an imbalance within the body. And this can be a number of different things, from tiredness, from weight gain, from weight loss, the physical body, your how you actually physically feel, but usually it's stress and tension and all these kind of things. So so my connect therapy, what we do within a session is I help you to connect to the emotions that are behind this pain, because my whole ethos and my whole philosophy is between the mind, body, spirit, soul connection. And that behind every physical pain, behind every illness, behind every disease, there is an emotional cause. So the root cause of that is emotions which aren't felt, which aren't processed, which gets trapped, which gets stuck energetically. And basically energy has its own frequency, and if you've got the low level emotions, when you think of things like guilt and shame and anger and all of these kind of things, they all have a very low vibrational energetic frequency. And when they're kept and held in your body, they will vibrate at a different vibrational frequency than the organs around them. And so over time and over years, this affects the organs and the cells. And this is where we get the autoimmune, because the cells start to attack themselves. This is part of the autoimmune, but the good news is if your body is causing it, then you can undo the undo, and you can make yourself well again from processing those emotions. So within my connect therapy, I helped you to connect to the emotions that are stuck there. Now, usually within the first 1 or 2 sessions, we can go straight to the root. Okay, this is the root causal issue. That's usually back in childhood, and even go further back before that, but it's something that will keep playing out, because we're like layers of an onion. We're in the layers. It will keep playing out throughout your life, because what happens is when this root cause emotion, we make a belief about ourselves, and we make it true. So these are our unlimiting beliefs. These are our unconscious beliefs, which are running subconsciously. And what the mind does is it will look for reasons to make that true. So there we go. See, I told you I wasn't good enough. There we go. See, that's happened again. See, I'm not good enough. So it layers throughout our life. So we go to the root cause straight away. Go to treat the root cause and find out what it is, which is very revealing, very insightful for my clients. To really find out, okay, aha moments, what's going on, and then we unravel it. So that is the basis of how my connect therapy works. So explanation of how a connect therapy treatment flows, or how it happens. It's very bespoke, so it's a little bit different for each person depending on what's going on for them. But usually I just have a little 5-minute tune in before the session. What do we need to work on? Where am I feeling there's some stuck energy? Energy's all around, so I can do this remotely. And when you come into my session, you will tell me what's going on for you. And we set an intention, basically. We set the intention of how you want to feel. And then whatever healing and unlocking and releasing will be how you need to feel for that session. So this works better, obviously, if we're doing a course of sessions. So the first 1 or 2, we really get to the root of the problem. Then we're on layering. So then it's okay, how do you want to feel? So if you've been feeling a bit stuck, how can you feel focused? How can you feel, that's the intention, how do you have to feel motivated? So we work on whatever that needs. So it's a continuous of just getting you to feel grounded, balanced, more aligned, just more in harmony with yourself, more connected to yourself, just getting that energy continually flowing. And of course, we're chipping away at that root causal block within every session. So that's what will happen. You set the intention of how you want to feel, and we'll start with a massage, usually about half an hour of massage, or meditation. Yeah, quite often it's meditation, then massage, or meditation, then healing, then massage, and then we go to basically through the massage and through the healing. Again, we locate that area of stuck energy. We really have to release and identify the stuck emotions beneath them, and do whatever processes, so some deep energetic processes, whatever we need. So it's coaching, it's energetic work, it's healing, it's massage, it's checking all your chakras are in balance, it's the meditation. When I do a meditation with people as well, one-on-one, it is purely channeled. So it's different, it's unique for what that person needs to hear at the time. So it's just a combination of all of these things to get you connected back to where you need to be connected to in that moment: mind, body, heart, soul. That's the connect therapy. So for first session, 3 hours or 2 hours is recommended. 2 hours basically is what's needed if you want shorter massage. If you really want a full bespoke, like, you know, a full real deep rejuvenation treatment, then I would go for the 3 hours, because you can get a whole hour's massage or more, plus the deep healing work, plus the coaching. So it's real, that's a real treat, that is. But definitely for a first session, I go for a 2 hour session, because there's too much when we're getting into the root. There's too much to cover within an hour session. I literally can't, we can't do it. It's not enough time to actually do the healing work that needs to be done, or to pick up on what needs to be picked up on. And if it's like if you're in a course of sessions, or you've had quite a few sessions recently, in concession, if you're having regular sessions and regular treatments, regular connect therapies, 1 hour is enough to just get into that energetic alignment, to get you in that intention, to release that energy where it needs to be released, to get you in flow. So that's why I do the 3 hour, 2 hour, and 1 hour sessions. So I do just also offer hourly or half hourly massage and healing sessions. So intuitive massage and healing sessions, this is really helpful if you've been having some pain and you just want treatment of that pain. So you don't really want to go into the root cause of it all. You don't really want to go into the deep energetic work. You just need physical relief and healing from the physical discomfort that you may be in. So that's why I use intuitive massage and healing sessions.